Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Smartbox, a new little device that allows you to connect your iPhone or your Android phone to your car without any cable. Plus, and the most important thing is that you can mirror your iPhone or Android phone, and you can use it to connect USB memory to reproduce multimedia content to your car. You can find it and buy it on Kickstarter at a very small price, $99. You can find the link to buy it in the description of this video. So let's see how it works. First of all, we can connect it with the USB cable to the car. And wait to see it on the infotainment of your auto. To configure CarPlay, just go to the button here and then go to your iPhone, Settings, General, CarPlay, and wait that the pairing happens. So tap Venus 2906, the same name that appears on the display. Yes, say pair, allow, of course. And here we are, my iPhone is connected. Just wait a few seconds and we can see the CarPlay system on your auto. And so after the configuration is done, you can use CarPlay in your car without any cable. So you don't need your iPhone connected to a cable, but just you can use you can use CarPlay in wireless mode. Now we see how we can do mirroring. If you want to use the apps that are on your iPhone, you can mirror the iPhone on your car. How can we do this? Just first of all, we have to set the personal hotspot. So go to settings and allow the hotspot, such in this case. Once the hotspot is enabled, go to settings, Wi-Fi, and choose your iPhone. Once the connection is done, just scroll to the mirror button here, screen mirroring, tap on the Venus and wait that the mirror happens on your screen. In this way you can use all the apps that are on your iPhone and you can reproduce all the multimedia content. Now we see how to connect Android Auto wireless. So first of all, and then tap on Android Auto app and follow the instruction on the screen. So get started. Okay, and then connect a car using wireless Android Auto. So we just press this button, turn on the Bluetooth, turn on, because we don't want any cable, and connect using Bluetooth. So pair a car, and here we are. This is the device that we need to pair. just tap it. Okay, here we are connected, and we can use Android Auto. Yes. Waiting a few seconds. Okay, and then we can use Android Auto wireless. Okay, continue. And that's it. The system is ready. So, last thing is the mirror function. To connect Android phone with mirror, you just to scroll down and click and tap on Smart View to enable the mirror function. Okay, select Android. Tap on Android here. Yes, start now mirroring with Smart View. Yes. Waiting a few seconds, and here we are. Our Android phone is on the display of our car, and we can use all the apps that we have on the phone. For example, we can see messages, we can see YouTube videos. Oh, this seems interesting. Okay. And the last but not least function is the possibility to use the USB memory in this device and reproduce all the content, multimedia content you have put inside. So after you connect it, wait, go to USB disk. Here we are. Of course, no media files, because we can choose between music or video. In music we don't have any content, but in video we have it. So video, and choose the one you like to reproduce. You reproduce Red Bull 4K, and that's it. So, and here we are. If you have an old car and you do not have Android Auto or CarPlay wireless, you can use it to have it on your car with all the functions in addition that we have seen before. So it's smart. This smart box is very simple to use, small, and with a very interesting price, very low, just $99. So if you want to try it and want to support the developers of this device, you just to buy it on Kickstarter. Remember that the link, you can find the link in the description of this video. And if you like it, all our works and what we do, please subscribe to our channel and put a thumb up.